Let's now move on, viewers, and shift our focus to the latest as far as the Malegaon blast case verdict is concerned. 2 days after the verdict came out, that was given by a special NIA court where all 7 accused were acquitted. It was a 17-year wait for the accused in this particular case to get relief, and now a sensational claim has been made by Sadhvi Pragya. Remember, she was also one of the accused in this particular case who has been acquitted now. She has now broken her silence and she has made a sensational claim. She has claimed that she was tortured to take Prime Minister Modi's name as well. Listen in to what exactly Sadhvi Pragya has said.
है बेहोशी जाए ना जासी रचना जिन रचाई.
Okay, we will quickly try and get you that reaction of Sadhvi Pragya in just a bit, but it's a sensational claim that has been made by Sadhvi Pragya that she was tortured to take Prime Minister Modi's name by the investigative officers at that point in time, and this is something that is now becoming really big because yesterday as well we spoke to eyewitnesses, or we spoke to witnesses who were questioned by the investigators, who also told us that how they were pressurized to take names of some senior leaders in the RSS, and one of them, Milind Joshi, also told me in an interview yesterday that he was forced, he was being pressurized to take the name of Yogi Adityanath as well, who was just a member of parliament at that point in time and was not the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh. And apart from that, we've also seen a sensational revelation being made by an ex-ATS officer who had said that he was specifically asked to pick up Mohan Bhagwat of the RSS. Let's go across to Rucha joining us on the phone line for more on this. Rucha, can you tell us exactly what has Sadhvi Pragya said?
Sadhvi Pragya has given a statement that she was forced to take Prime Minister Narendra Modi's name, and she also said that only because she used to live in Gujarat back then, she was asked to take Prime Minister Narendra Modi's name. And she has also named other people whom she was forced to take names of, and the agencies wanted to harm those people, is what she's saying. She took names of Mohan Bhagwat, Yogi Adityanath, Sudarshan Ji and Indresh, including Ram Madhav, who she was forced to take names, and she also said that the agencies probing the matter had asked her, if you take these names, we will not harm you, but if you fail, we will continue to torture you, is what she is now revealing. And when she was kept in custody, she said that how she was brutally troubled, brutally tortured. She also had some physical problems at that time. Her health
so it is a sensational revelation that has been made by former BJP MP Sadhvi Pragya Singh Thakur, who has alleged that she was tortured by Maharashtra ATS officers and was pressurized to name Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the 2008 Malegaon blast case. Rucha, stay on with us. Let's listen in to what exactly she said.
मैंने अपने लिखित में सब कुछ दिया है और मैंने जिन जिन के नाम लिए हैं सभी के नाम जो हमें कहने पे मजबूर किया गया तो वो सब किया है उन्होंने कि इनके नाम लो सबके नाम लेकर के और तुम ये बोलोगी तो हम तुम्हें नहीं पीटेंगे। यानी मुझे टॉर्चर करना ही उनका उद्देश्य था और नहीं, अगर इनके नाम नहीं लेती हो जो वो कह रहे हैं तो फिर हम तुम्हें टॉर्चर करेंगे। तो उसमें सभी के नाम आए हैं, मैंने लिखित में सब दिया है। माननीय योगी जी का है, माननीय मोहन भागवत जी का है, माननीय सुदर्शन जी का है और इंद्रेश जी का है और मैं कुछ नाम अभी भूल रही हूँ तुम लोगों की सब भीड़ के कारण, लेकिन बहुत सारे नाम उन्होंने ऐसे लिए हैं। राम जी माधव का नाम लेने के लिए बोला है और भी कुछ नाम है जो मैं अभी भूल रही हूँ, लेकिन ये सब करने के लिए उन्होंने हमें टॉर्चर किया। हमारे फेफड़े की झिल्ली फट गई, मैं बेहोश हो गई, मुझे सुश्रूषा हॉस्पिटल में गैर कानूनी तरीके से डिटेन किया था, तब रखा और उसके बाद फिर बजे हॉस्पिटल में रखा। मैं अपनी पूरी कहानी जो लिख रही हूँ उसमें ये सब आएगा, लेकिन सत्य जो है ना वो प्रकट होता है, और सत्य प्रकट हुआ। माननीय मोदी जी का भी नाम लिया था मुझे मैं गुजरात में रहती थी, इसलिए उन्होंने मोदी जी का भी नाम मुझसे कहलवाने का प्रयास किया। मैंने किसी का नाम नहीं बोला, क्योंकि सब असत्य कहलवाना चाह रहे थे, इसलिए मैंने किसी का नाम नहीं बोला। मैंने अपने लिखित में सब कुछ दिया है, और मैंने जिन जिन के नाम लिए हैं सभी के नाम जो हमें कहने पे मजबूर किया गया, तो वो सब किया है उन्होंने कि इनके नाम लो, सबके नाम लेकर के।
And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with more. Stay with us.